So nay mga nangutana kung saan pag-ani sa Hinagu-an Nature Park, no? Kung naamo sa sa Cagayan de Oro, and that is your point of origin, I think you need to take buses, no, or mini buses from Cagayan de Oro to Hasaan, and then you stop there somewhere at Springview Resort. That's the landmark. And take a motorcycle, no, or we call it habal-habal here, and then you pay 20 pesos for your trip from the landmark Springview Resort to Laga Pool, because Hinagu-an Nature Park is at the back of Laga Pool. Anyway, you can ask someone there, yung mga habal-habal drivers, kasi they know exactly where Hinagu-an Nature Park is. And then Miss Brenda is actually popular here, and of course because she is celebrity, so uh, I think everyone knows about her in this place, so no. So that's your the way how you get there at Hinagu-an Nature Park. And then if you could see, no, ang naay mga kahoy nga ano siya, ginatanom, tapos na yung mga naka-cover nga mga stones, no, nga ginapintalan siya og black, and then ay siya white nga siya silhouette or patterns. So ano siya, para ma-emphasize niya nga na siya gibuhat diri nga mga nagipang tanom niya nga mga kahoy. Tapos kung magdagko na ng mga kahoy, actually it would be better kay it would give shades, no, sa sa kanang mga guests din. The good thing about Hinagu-an Nature Park is siya, guests can use morning and of course overnight, because they have the overnight stay here. Tapos as I mentioned earlier, na kung ang guest is mag-rent a house or cabins nila, they're gonna pay 300 pesos, no, but that's in the morning time. But if kung mag-use sila sa cabins, no, during night time, they're gonna pay 500 pesos, no. So that's very clear. And then if you could notice, ang yang area is very siya, it's green because it's rainy season. And then it's of course it's Hasaan Misamis Oriental, daghan kay mga kahoy, no. Mga don't getting ulan na po siya, so grabe siya siya ka lush green ang iyang color din. And there are, I mentioned earlier also, there are 8 cottages, no, with the tables na sila. So we have here table 6 and table 5 7 over there. And napo sila mga nasa billiards, no. Anyway, na magani use gani sa billiards, no. And then they don't have a pool, pero naay siya river, no, nga pwede nila kakaliguan ang mga guest ni. And then it's a nice place, no, para mag-unwind, kay nature na nature ang vibe. Of course naa siya kanang kanang mga lights, no. So kung gusto lang mo mag-unwind and then have some chit chat with friends and loved ones, better have here sa Hinagu-an Nature Park ni Miss Brenda. It's like siya, it's like a place where you can actually unwind and relax for once in a while. So sa ako nakita diri, no, na siya kanang mga chicken, no. Yeah, chickens na yung mga kuan siya. So there are, it's like a farm, it's like a park, no. Ang nakatsada lang siya kay pwede mo maka-relax din nga area. So mo laka ko diri nga area kay napay luag man din siya kaayo, no. Wala na ko na siya na napakita before. So mao ni siya ang siya, Hinagu-an Nature Park. Tapos din ang Wahag Lubi. we are actually breaking boundaries here, pero siya. So kung nakita niyo siya ng area, no, na siya table po kung mag-inom-inom din during night time. And anyway, it's very siya, cool kay daghang kahoy siya. So I could say though wala pa na maximize ni Miss Brenda ang area, no, but this park here is good for vacation, family getaway, and for those who are looking or seeking for a time and place to unwind and relax with family members and loved ones. I think it would be also better if you, for those who are in the office, no, katong mag-banding-banding lang, team building, katong siya nga area actually, pwede man na sila magamit, no, ma-occupied na siya. And then, kung during nighttime nga, mag-overnight sila, they can use the cabins here para sa ilang pagstay. So, okay gyapon siyang ano, venue for their team building or whatever corporate activities they are actually doing kung na sila sa office. So far this is the video that I'm making, no, for the second leg of my trip for this whole season, before changing locations, no, kay I think we're moving to Cagayan de Oro City para sa more updates. And then I think paingon na ta sa may lagindingan gitagom no sa lain nga mga resorts na po. And then I think we're gonna be jumping sa Balingasag, Talisayan, and Sukbungkugon also. So maura na siya. Time now is actually 1:25, and then yes, 1:25, and then we're on the run. It's gonna be 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So that ends my video, and thank you for watching. This is the Misamis Oriental Journal. Bye bye.